In this video, I'll show you how you can install ChatGPT into Google Docs. So what you first need to do is go to Google Docs, and then from here create a blank document. Once you've done that, you then want to head over to the extensions button, click on that, and then go ahead and click on add-ons. Then go to get add-ons, and from here you can go ahead and search for ChatGPT. So go to search apps and just type in GPT. So then you'll see GPT for Docs, or if you don't see it, just click search and you're going to see a load of different add-ons here. Now I've already got this one installed, GPT for Google Sheets and Docs, but there are other ones which may work better or worse, but you're going to have to play around with them. Or I've already got installed this one here, GPT for Sheets. So click on this one, then click install, and you'll then have it installed into Google Docs and Google Sheets. For the sake of the video, I'll uninstall it and install it again just so I can show you. Right, so you will click install and then agree to any terms and conditions and then install it to your Gmail account. So I'm going to click this email, click continue and allow any of these permissions. Okay, so now we've done that, we'll then install it and it should take us back to Google Docs. Okay, so now let's click done here. We'll close out of this and GPT for Sheets should open up. Now, because I've already got this installed before, it has remembered me, I think. So if I just go to extensions and then GPT for Sheets, what you need to do first is go ahead and click on set API keys. So click on that and it will open up a window where you need to enter in your API key. So you can see I've already entered in my API key, but I'm going to show you how you can enter yours in. Now, your API key won't be here at the start, so you're going to have to find it on OpenAPI and then add it. I've already installed this before though, that's why mine is here. So to find your API key, you want to go to OpenAPI's website. To do that, just go and type in OpenAI, and it then should be the first one, openai.com. Now, once you're here, or if you're on the platform website, no matter where you are, you want to then go to menu in the top right hand corner, and then go to login, and you can log in to OpenAI. Now, this is assuming you already have an OpenAI account. You can also create one within the same window, but I've just logged in here. Now once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and go to API keys on the left here, and from here you can then create a new secret key. I'll just call it YouTube, but you can call it whatever you want. You can call it Google Docs, Google Sheets, whatever. Click create secret key, and that's going to then generate a secret key for you. Once you've got your secret key, you can just go ahead and copy it, and then you'll be able to then paste it in this box here and then click OK. Now, once you've got your secret key added, to open the extension, you want to go to extensions, then go GPT for Sheets and Docs, then click launch. And now you should then get the extension opened, and you can then type in a prompt here and it will then write whatever you typed as your prompt into Google Docs. Now you do need credits for this and you might need a premium plan with OpenAI. I do believe they give you some credits to start with, but I might not have any credits left, so I might not be able to demonstrate it. I'll just say here, write 5 places that are a must-see in Thailand. Then we'll click submit and we'll see if it writes anything. Yeah, so you can see my free trial has expired and I don't really want to set up a paid account just for this short video. But if I had tokens here, then this would then write that prompt into my Google Docs. So that's how you can install ChatGPT into Google Docs. I hope that was clear and did help you out.